Hello, my name is Zachary Meady.
Mi nombre es David Molina.
And welcome to the City of Commerce Parks and Open Space Workshop 1 Commencement video.
Bienvenidos al Plan Maestro de Espacios Abiertos de la Ciudad de Commerce.
The purpose of the Parks and Open Space Master Plan is to develop a guide or implementation tool for the management and development of parks and recreation facilities throughout the City of Commerce. Specifically, it identifies local community needs. It's based off of the local community of commerce. The process is broken into 5 steps. First, an inventory of the existing conditions, and then the most important part, an extensive community engagement. Following those 2 steps, then we'll move into the needs analysis, where we look at the balancing of the existing information as well as what the community's needs and wants are. Then we develop the recommendations and then funding and implementation sections. The process will be conducted over an 8-month timeline. We'll go through the extensive parks and facilities program and inventory assessment, the community outreach, the reporting, and then finally presentations. You can see where we are here by the star at workshop number 1. As part of the background research, we'll review the existing documents, such as the Commerce General Plan. We'll look at land use, zoning, and different mapping analysis that has been conducted already to see where the community neighborhoods are and where are the parks, as well as what the city's planning for in the future. The City of Commerce has 5 city parks, 1 public pool, 3 community recreation centers, 1 senior center, 1 teen center, as well as Camp Commerce located in Arrowhead. One of the important parts we look at is where are the parks located? Where are the neighborhoods located? You can see here throughout the community there are parks on the north and south side of the City of Commerce. Part of that background research also includes looking at what programs exist, whether it's running through the park in a 5K turkey trot, preschool programs, or teen center programs. We look at all of the programs that exist within the City of Commerce. Looking at the demographics for the City of Commerce, we see that 2022 population just over 12,000. We look at the age ranges of that population, seeing that the largest age range is 38% from the ages of 35 to 64. We also look at that comparison to the county, and we notice a higher youth population than the county average, but a lower senior population than the county average. This is just one of the metrics we'll look at as we start to evaluate programs and facilities. The most important part of this entire process is the extensive community engagement, your voice. We'll go through a statistically valid multimodal survey, stakeholder interviews, community workshops, both in person and recorded, as well as a project website for feedback comments directly from the community. The project has a live, dedicated 24/7 project website. On this website, you can find out updates to the project, when community events will be held, as well as share your community voice through the feedback button. At any point in time during the project, you can click that button and share direct thoughts with the planning team. Throughout this outreach process, there will be 4 workshop dates, opportunities for both live, in-person attendance, as well as online, sharing your thoughts and ideas through this project website and the video presentations. Please share this information with your friends and community members so everybody may have their voice heard. I encourage you to now go online and take the survey by clicking the link below. Thank you for watching this video. We look forward to hearing your thoughts and ideas for the future of Commerce's Parks and Open Space.
Muchísimas gracias por ver este video. Les invitamos a que tomen las encuestas para poder escucharlos, para poder saber cuál es el futuro de la ciudad de Commerce.